Period. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, give a fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I got this spring vibes makeup look. Side note, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I really just do makeup on myself for fun. But yeah, starting out, I did do my brows offline, of course, because it takes too much time. And now I'm just priming my eyes with this MAC eyeshadow primer that I had it for a long time, so I do not remember the name, so I can't even tell you guys the name. So right now I'm just priming my eyes. So now I'm just taking my Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette and I'm going in with that orange color just to deepen the crease of my eyes. I don't remember the exact name of this color just because the little piece of clear paper that comes in the palette that tells you like the different names, I kind of lost it. So that's why I can't tell you guys the exact name, but once you have the 35B palette, it's the same exact color. And I'm just going in with the orange color just to deepen my crease. Now I'm going back in the same Morphe 35B palette and I'm using the yellow shade in that palette, and I'm just using it to blend out the outer part of the orange eyeshadow that I already did, just to kind of give it that I don't know, it looks like a little sunshiny, like springy vibes. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I'm just going in with the yellow eyeshadow and I'm just blending that at the outer part of the orange shade. Then I'm going to be going in with that purple pinkish color, but first I'm going to be cutting my crease with the same eyeshadow primer that I used before, and I literally just I'm just using it to just cut my crease, and then I'm going to go in with the same purple pinkish eyeshadow that I showed you guys, and then I'm going to just pack that on my eyelid. And the key to make the eyeshadow look more pigmented is using a flat brush. So I'm using, I don't remember what's the name of the brush, but I'm using a flat brush and I'm just using it to just pack on the purple pinkish eyeshadow. And you could do it to the point where you're satisfied. Obviously the more you pack it on, the more pigmented the color is, and so I'm just packing it on to the point where I feel comfortable and to the point where I feel like, you know, it's okay for me. And now I'm going back in the same palette and I'm using that orange color. I think I blended the two orange color, one looks kind of reddish, and I'm just using it just to blend out everything. So now I'm just priming my face, and the primer that I'm using today is the Essence Prime Plus Studio Glow Boosting Pore Minimizer Primer. And I'm just using that to just prime my face. I think I got this from Shoppers Drug Mart and I got it for like $10. Moving on to foundation, I will be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer, and I'll be using this in the color 21 Cream Caramel. Then I'll be going in with my beauty blender just to blend that out. Then moving on to concealer, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Creamy Beige, and I'll be putting this under my eyes, my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin areas, and then I'm just going to be blending that out with my beauty blender. Powder, I am using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This setting powder, I do not know, from the other day it's just been giving like a very dry effect. I do want to change it, but I feel like because I've grown so comfortable with it, it's so hard for me to change it, and I honestly do not know, like, you know, a better setting powder. So if you guys have any suggestions, please do let me know in the description box, well, no, in the comments. And now moving on to contouring, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in the shade light to medium, and I'm just using all three shades at the bottom. So I mixed all three shades and I go in like the three, you know, the number three, yeah, that method that you use to contour, that's the exact method that I use. And I contour also my nose, but that's pretty much it for contouring for me. Now for the arch of my brows, I'm just going in with the shimmery shade eyeshadow that I had. I've had this palette for a while now, so the name is not on it because it has been worn and torn for how long. However, you can go in with whatever shimmery shade you have, whether it's your highlighter or just an eyeshadow that has, like, you know, shimmery a shimmery texture to it. So I've decided to try something new, blush. I don't normally do blush, but I had this blush shade just sitting there, and I'm like, you know what, let me just try, you know, give off a new look or whatever. But to be honest, I don't think I'll be continue doing blush. I'll just stick to my contouring and highlighting, and that's it for me. Now for the eyeliner, the eyeliner that I'm using, it's from Benefit Cosmetics, and I did use it in a get ready with me video before. It's the same eyeliner that I'm using now. Guys, let me tell you, doing wing liner is so much concentration. Doing wing liner is so much concentration, because if you don't concentrate, you're gonna mess up one eye and then the next eye get messed up, and then you have to do it all over again. And this is exactly what happened to me. I literally had to remove my eyeshadows and, well, on one eye, and do it completely over, just because I was just fighting with this eyeliner. And I tried getting it on camera, but because it was just fighting me, I was just like, not today. And now for the stealer of the show, my lashes. The lashes that I will be wearing today or in this video is from my lash line, LadylashbyAsh. That's the name on IG. I did talk a little bit more about the lashes in depth at the end of the video, so I am not going to be taking up much time talking about it now, because that will just be doubling the work. But I did go ahead and talk a little bit more about it at the end of the video. Also for my setting spray, I did go in with the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. I like this dewy finish just because you see how I was complaining about the fact that the Stasha Buttercup kind of gives your face like a dry effect. That's why I had to get the dewy finishing setting spray, because it gives off like a more glowy look. So then it moisturizes the dryness that the Stasha Buttercup may leave. For highlighters, I always mix two highlighters. I mix the Trophy Wife from Fenty Beauty and the Show Gold from MAC Studio highlighters. I don't know, I like mixing both because it just gives me a more, you know, popping effect. So that's the only reason why I really mix both highlighters. And now for the underneath of my eyes, my eye waterline, I'm just going in with the same exact shades that I use on my eyelids on the bottom and just blending everything out. I'm going to be going in with mascara, and I'll be putting mascara on my lashes, my upper lashes and my lower lashes. And the mascara that I'm using today is the Maybelline New York The Falsies Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. Moving on to the lips. For the lips, I'm always mixing colors. So for this look, I did the chestnut lip liner. Then I went in with the NYX cream lipstick, and I think this is in the shade not the shade, the color Sandstorm. Then I went in with Nana Coco, and I got this from Shoppers as well. Um, and this is like a lip gloss because I didn't want like a matte look. The NYX lipstick gives off a more matted look, but I wanted like a glossy look, so I went in with the Nana Coco lip gloss, and this is in the color Sweet Love. Then I went in with some this lip gloss that I had. I don't remember where exactly I bought it from, but it is in the shade A75 Dreamy. I kind of realized that telling you guys the color doesn't make any sense because it's not like you guys are gonna find it because I do not remember where it's from. But yeah, for the most part, that's the name of the color. Okay. So this is the final look for the makeup. Honestly guys, I am not that good while I'm like with makeup. I rather do hair. But for the most part, this makeup did come out okay to me. For the eyeshadows, I was thinking about, like, yeah, for the eyeshadows, I was pretty much thinking, spring vibes, and I was just honestly just winging it. I didn't know like what colors I was gonna use on my eye or anything like that. While I'm doing my makeup, I'm just like, okay, so let me try this, let me try that, that's literally how I do my makeup. I'm not a makeup artist, so I don't like have looks planned out to do. I literally just go with the flow, and whatever I see and I'm like, okay, let me try to see if this works. That's how I literally do my makeup. These lashes that I'm wearing is from my lash line. Ones are in the style Act Up, and this is how they look. The website, I was going to launch my lash website like just now, like in June 3rd, but I was just like, you know what, I think I want to like build my clientele first before I go ahead and like, do the lash thing. Because one thing about doing business, you have to do it smart. So you have to literally like, build your clients first and like get your customers to kind of see your products, because at the end of the day, customers are not paying because the website looks nice. You know what I'm saying? They're paying because they like how the lashes, or not just lashes, but how the products look. So for me, I think I want to like get my products out there first to get people familiar with my products. Familiar with my product first before like I actually go and like dive into the whole website and thing. But I am where I was. I got a phone call. Sorry. But I am going to be showing you guys 5 styles in total. I'm going to be doing 10 different styles, but for the first like launching, I am only going to be launching 5 different styles. So Act Up is not one of the styles that I will be putting out first, unfortunately. But so this is how the box look. It's so cute. Like, are you kidding me? It's so cute. The back has the IG for the lash page, and also the email where you guys could like, customer service issues, which I'm hoping you guys don't have much issues. And inside I added like a little quote, and the quote said, "Let your beauty match your comfort." So this is how it looks, and this is in the style D Coca. So this is how the style looks. Very a little bit over the top, but not too over the top. The next style is called Lee, and this is how it looks in the box. Let me take it out to kind of show you guys how it looks. So this is how it looks, literally. This one is called Lexi, and this is how it looks. For the next style, Unruly. This one is my favorite, and this is how it looks. I don't know, when I looked at it and the way how I came up with this name, it was just, I remember when I was like wearing it, I was just like, when you're wearing this, it just seem like, you know, it just unruly. Like literally, that's how I came up with this name. I'm just like, you know what, unruly. But this is how it looks like. It's very, very nice. It's very full, and I love it. Like, I love it. Oh, I forgot to mention that the lengths of these lashes are 15 millimeters. Well, this one I think is 25. I'm not sure, but when I upload them on the website, well, not on the website, well, on the website, on an Instagram, when I upload them, I'll make sure to like put the description in like the caption and stuff, so you guys could see like what lengths they are. This one is called Vibes. Like this, when you wear this, you do not need to wear any eyeshadows, because it just gives all the vibes. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just gives all the vibes. And yeah, like, but for the most part, I am so happy with how progressive I have been in my life. It's not to the point, I haven't reached the point where I'm just like, yes, I think I made it and all that. No, I'm far from that, literally. But I think so far I have been doing good for myself, or at least that's what I think. I have a lot more things to work on. I have a lot more things in store that I want to, like, you know, try to venture on as well. But for the most part right now, most of y'all pretty much know that I am, you know, I have a hair business, and that business I do it with my sister. And also I have obviously the lash line coming out, and a couple more ideas, couple more things coming through my head. Well, yeah, but yeah, this is the final look for this makeup. I already told you guys the lashes, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini makeup look. Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist, but I do try to help myself. But if you guys want to see like more wing makeup, pretty much say wing because I literally winged it, let me know and I'll definitely post more. Also, I want to thank you guys for literally supporting me. Like, it's not even a joke. Like, I've been getting a lot of subscribers, a lot of views, and a lot of like, just, you know, like positive comments from all of you guys. Like, even sometimes when I post my videos and I'm just like, I think I'm gonna delete this, you know, at least one person will comment and be like, good job, keep it up. And I'm just like, you know what, if I have at least this one person telling me you did good, don't worry sis, it's okay, you don't need a lot, okay? And you know, it kind of motivates me to like go farther with this YouTube thing, and kind of, you know, push myself to do more videos and like think of more creative ideas and stuff like that. So I would just want to thank you guys for supporting me, and for all my day ones and all my new subscribers. Thank you guys, and I hope you guys stick with me. I definitely want to upload like a lot more content. I'm still working on ideas. I'm still trying to kind of venture out in new stuff, but most of you guys like to hear shit, so let's be real. But yeah, for the most part, I'm just grateful for all of you guys, to be honest. And I think I'm talking too much and I'm getting over, you know, carried away with everything. So yeah, thank you guys again, and I will see you guys in my next video.